tunnel. The one under. This is Regen Tunnel. Oh. The Regen Tunnel. I think it's just an interchange for people who are joining the A104 or the people who are living in these estates.
Is this the same road that goes to Limuru?
No. No.
Okay.
I don't think. I think this. So this is shifting news. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. This is the A104. If you are coming from this side is from the Nairobi CBD. If you head this way, you are heading to Mai Mahiu, Naivasha, to western sides, to Uganda. And right now our concentration is around this area called Rongiri, and most people know it as Regen. And I think you can see a beehive of activities. There is soil there, and you can see more soil is coming. And they are doing you can see the experts there. They are doing some changes to the what do we call this? Maybe you can allow us or tell us about whatever is happening here. So we want to just see everything going on here. If we get one person, we'll get to talk with them and interview them, know what is the purpose, what led to this road or this connection being improved. So keep watching and enjoy the activities going around here. And I believe this road is connecting you, should be connecting to, if you come this way, you'll connect to Nairobi. Or if you are coming from the Nakuru area, I believe you will join here. Maybe we'll get to know where this road leads when after you cross through the tunnel. And I can see one of the operators there is wearing a China Huyi company. That means they are the ones doing these renovations here. We have compressors. So just a beehive of activities. And the ground, that compressor, the ground is shaking. You can feel like everything is shaking here. So that means it is very, very, very heavy. I don't know how many kgs that compressor is. Yeah? Nasema aje? No, YouTubers Shifting News. YouTube, ukiingia YouTube ukisearch Shifting News utaipata kabisa. Maybe unaweza jiintroduce utuambie venye una operate hii machine. Yes. Eh? Kuna time tulipatana na dem fulani wakati Construction Expressway. Tulikuwa tunaona na operate vizuri sana.
Ni rahisi. Provider ndio ujue. Kucheza na hizi vitu.
Oh.
Provider ndio kucheza.
Okay. Sawa sawa.
Kwani uliona iko huko?
Hai, unajua unasema ni rahisi kwa sababu you understand. Lakini for a normal person ni ngumu, lazima nini afunzwe.
Hii ndio sasa uanga inafanya kazi na engineer. Na ndio production ya barabara. Unaona mpaka bosi anashinda watu.
Okay.
Hii ndio inamlipa hii.
Na naona uko umevaa China hui.
China hui.
Hiyo ndo ina deal na hii construction. Hii road inaenda wapi?
Gani? Hii ni underpass.
Yes.
Hii underpass ikimaliza. Narudi Gitaru hiyo barabara.
So ni underpass inaenda Udhiru ama inaenda wapi hizo hivi?
Underpass sasa inazunguka. Inatoka kwa main. Inaingia hapa alafu inatokea Rwanda ile nyingine ya Regen.
Sawa sawa.
Hizo zimetoa tu. Unaweza tumia hii. Ndio zitakuwa zinatumia tukitumia ile nyingine ya. Ukitengeneza ile nyingine
ya Gitaru. Sawa. Thank you. So guys, as you have heard, that is they're constructing the tunnel to ensure when they go back to Gitaru, everything will be sorted and the vehicles will get a place to use. So maybe let's go like this. Talk with Mr. Anton. Has developed a problem. And I think it's a two lane. So there are more activities that are happening around here. There is a wall. A wall has fallen over there. So
huyu anapita hapa anaweza kugonga na atafanyaje? Road block. Na mtu wa bendera huko, bendera kwani yuko huko? Kama amesema hapa amelala.
Maybe just a minute we get to Mr. Anthony. Mr. Anton, can we talk here? Tulikuwa tunaomba tukuongelesha kidogo. Yes. So we have seen ile ni A104 yenye inatoka Nairobi inaelekea Kisumu, Nakuru, Mai Mahiu, Narok, na tumeona construction inaendelea hapa. So maybe you can just introduce yourself and maybe tell us more about what is happening here.
Naitwa Anthony Omondi.
Sorry?
Naitwa Anthony Omondi.
Yes.
Mimi ni foreman kwa hii kazi inaendelea hapa.
Sasa
Sasa kipindi cha inauli tunajenga hii barabara. Kwa tunajenga hiyo main road. Lakini pesa haikupatikana ya kumaliza. Sasa ndio serikali ilitoa kidogo tumerudi tuendelee. Na hii tunafanya hii hata pasi ya magana. Na hii kazi inaendelea. Kazi hata pasi kutoka main road.
Yes.
Kuja kwa hii bridge ya chini. Na ikiisha pengine tuende pale Gitaru. Gitaru Interchange.
So this road ni hapa tu tunnel, alafu inaingia Udhiru ama inaendanga wapi?
Haiendi Udhiru.
Yes.
Tuseme sasa kuna watu pande hii wanataka kuenda, ama mtu ametoka Nairobi. Mtu ametoka side ya nini? Side ya Limuru.
Yes.
Anataka kuingia side ile, anakaa Magana pande ile ingine. Sasa ataingia na hii. Underpass.
Okay.
Aende pande hiyo. Vile vile mtu akitoka Nairobi.
Yes.
Anakaa pande hii. Kutoka Nairobi anaenda underpass pande ile, anakuja side.
Okay. And the construction are under, is it KENHA ama Kura?
It's under KENHA.
KENHA. Okay.
It's under KENHA.
So wananchi wa huku watafurahia.
Obviously. Obviously watafurahia. Unajua hata ikijengwa si watakuwa na wakati rahisi sasa biashara kuingia kwao, hata biashara.
Yes.
Lazima ifaidi watu.
Sawa.
Hapa ni
sawa. So nikuulize, kulikuwa na traffic congestion kwa huku ama ni shida gani? Yani kukosa kwa hii barabara mnajenga ilikuwa ina cause which kind of problem kwa motorists?
Unajua hata motorists kama sasa hivi, unajua wale wanaishi Eldoret wako na magari. Kutoka kwa highway kuingia ni shida bila hii duku na
Walikuwa wanazunguka wapi?
Sasa wanapenya tu, wengine wanapenya mpaka huko Kinoo, wapate njia, wengine wanarudi mpaka Rugiri huko, wapate bila wataingia metro kama Gitaru.
So hii itawasaidia sana.
Wasaidia pia mtu atasave hata fuel, hata zunguka hata ataingia tu.
Ningependa kuuliza, umesema nilipata kuulizwa swali na sisi kama uliulizwa kama hii ndio ina connect na Udhiru hii barabara. Ndio ina connect na Udhiru.
Hii hai connect na Udhiru. Hii barabara ya hapa. Watu wanakaa hapa Regen. Watu wa Regen, watu wa Thika. Hii inasaidia tu wale mtu akitoka side ya Limuru anataka kuingia side ile ya Magana. Ndio hii tunatengeneza, anatumia aingie pande ile kwa underpass. Mtu akitoka Nairobi anataka kuingia side ya Thika huko, anatumia hii underpass. Watu wa Udhiru wako na underpass yao. Hata watu wa Kinoo pia wako na underpass. Sasa hii underpass hapa hii loop inasaidia tu watu wa Thika na watu wa Magana. Watu wa Regen.
So personally I can say it's a good progress. Nimeona KENHA wanasimamia projects mingi na we applaud them for the good work they are doing around to improve most of the roads. I think in a smooth transportation, hata it saves on fuel, especially when we have smooth roads.
The economy.
So send our regards to all the officials from KENHA. Yes, thank you. Wacha sisi tuzunguke hivi. Thank you. lots of activities happening here. This is the Regen Area. Ambia msa naitwa. Mwambia naitwa aende huko ama. Niaje?
Shifting news. Yeah? Explore, feel, shift.
Soil. Hello good people, and welcome back to Shifting News, your great channel with wonderful videos. And thank you for joining this amazing video. And this is the A104 connecting all the way. This is from Nairobi headed to Nakuru, and this is the Gitaru area. And today we are going to have a unique video. There is a tunnel being constructed. It's called the Regen Area. So I decided, let me use this side that is away from the road. And I'm joined with two of my friends. I think one of them you saw him in my previous video, and I'll let them introduce themselves. So my friends, maybe you can just introduce. I'm doing a new video. We are going to Regen Area where there is construction of a tunnel. So maybe just introduce yourself to our viewers.
Once again, I am Tugai. Many of you know me. If you've been watching videos of this channel, you've come across my face. So we are here again. We are still in Kikuyu. I think this is Gitaru.
Now we want to head to Regen.
On this wall, this is an highway, the Nakuru Nairobi highway.
Yes.
And we want to showcase you some of the infrastructure, mostly the development, the road development, and the ongoing construction that is happening, so that you get to know what is happening in this side of Kiambu, or close to Nairobi.
Okay.
Yes.
So make sure you visit I Am Tugai and subscribe to his channel. And the next one.
Yeah, my name is Koech on the move. You can check me on YouTube channel. We've done also a video with you.
Yes, several
videos.
Yes.
Actually, so you've seen me. I'm not a new person to you. So yeah, development content is what we are doing.
Maybe very soon people are going to call you master of demolitions, because where demolitions are, you have.
Actually, we are trying to give the voice to the people. You know,
Yes.
let me tell you, the mainstream media does not go to the places like this.
Yes.
And if they go, you'll find that they'll talk directly to the authorities, the police. But us, you know, that is not where the real story lies. Where the real story lies is the victims or the people in the ground.
Yes.
So actually that is what we do. We go to give the voice to the people, to bring you exactly what's going on in the ground. So that's why you see us mostly in the demolition or what the floods.
Yes.
Yeah, we are trying to make you updated actually.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So thank you. Make sure you visit Koech on the Move and subscribe to his channel.
Yeah.
And also I Am Tugai. They are doing very good works. This is another tunnel. Hey, it's very dark. At night it seems it becomes a bit dangerous, and it appears that there was a road that was being used around here, and this is another tunnel, but actually it's a railway line passing. So this one it heads
Shifting news.
through Kikuyu town,
Explore,
coming all the way
feel,
from
shift.
Nairobi, and I believe this is the one connecting you up to Kisumu and Butere area. So this is the railway line that and above this is the A104, the highway, the main highway that connects you to Nairobi and Nakuru. So remember, we are doing this one is around Gitaru. For those who don't know that this railway crosses around Gitaru, this is the railway. And I believe when you go like this, you're going up to Limuru as you continue with the railway hadi mwisho wa reli. And this one, they constructed it stably, because when the vehicles are passing through, you don't hear the noise. Everything is intact, everything is okay. So you are yeah, these people are living well. This is like we have Napier grass.
Like sharks.
They are enjoying life.
Good news.
Yes. So guys, we are using, this is the other side of the road. This is the main road that leads you to Nairobi city. This, when you head like this, you'll be passing such areas like Kinoo 87, Udhiru, Kangemi, Waithaka. Oh, sorry, not Waithaka. Waithaka is on the other side. So you go ABC Place, Westlands, all the way to the Nairobi city center. And when you go on the opposite side, you'll be heading to areas of Rironi, where you can connect with the B1, that is the road that connects you to Naivasha and can also lead you to Mai Mahiu, Narok, Bomet, Mulot. And I believe if you watched our previous video, we were talking about Mulot. You know, Mulot, the reason why it was trending, it was because of they said sort of a syndicate, the SIM swap.
What's happening? Because I come from that area. Yeah, so because I hear you're talking about Mulot. That's
yes,
where I come from. In Bomet County and Narok County. Right?
Yes.
So what's happening in Mulot? Actually, that thing started when we were in high school. Where you find young guys,
yes,
very smart guys, who even never went to school, most of them. They will steal money from people using just it's called social engineering.
Yes.
They call you and lie to you. Maybe like, we have something that we are selling. Maybe there is a school that I'm giving an example.
Yes.
Maybe there is a school that needs like beans to be supplied. Yes. I am the pastor from that school. We hear that you have beans. They tell you, we hear you have beans.
Yes.
Send the money for a lorry. We buy the fuel so that the lorry can come and pick the beans. Yes. And that's how you send them the money and they go missing. That's
they vanish.
Started. So they started now I can say they started growing smarter and smarter until they are using even technologies to steal from people. Yeah, it's something that has been going on since 2010.
Yes.
It's been a lot of, it's been a long time. Huh? I know many of you heard about Mulot just like 2022.
Yeah, the other
That
time
has been going
we were
on for
traveling
years.
using that route. Huh? So I remember there is something that trended about Mulot. So I was still wondering, when I went online, that is when now I started learning about what happened. Yes.
Yeah,
but
so-
now it's good that we have got one of the people.
Actually, most of my friends,
Yes.
they were doing the same things, and even right now you find a first year student, second year student through that issue.
Yes.
They are having a lot of money. They drive lavish cars, you know, and they tell you they do crypto. They are using the word crypto, but they are not doing crypto. It's actually social engineering, stealing from people. But I don't want to talk much about that.
It's their business.
It's dangerous.
But I think right now the incidences are going down.
Yeah,
They're not that much.
because
I
you know
think
they are targeting.
the government intervened.
Yeah, you know they are targeting. You know, even the Equity Bank in Mulot.
Yes.
You know, it has been a lot going on. So they even wanted to close down there because they account for the people who are around that area. They will find their money are stolen. They are swiped. They find nothing in the account. Yeah.
So it's called social engineering.
Yeah, it's
Social
called
engineering.
They don't actually hack. It's not hacking. They use like a
Smart way to
smart way.
approach you.
To lie to- They read your psychology. Your psychology to steal from you.
So our people, you have heard that story, and we are back on the road. This is the area around Regen. I believe this is it. Oh, okay, let's see. I don't know if this is now the tunnel that is being constructed. So you can see we have a lot of connections around. We just came from Gitaru, and right now we have this is just a connection. So we are still moving along the A104, the highway that connects you all the way from Mombasa. You come to Nairobi CBD, you connect to Nakuru, connect to Kisumu, Busia, to Kitale, Malaba, Uganda, South Sudan, even Ethiopia. Ethiopia.
Yeah, Ethiopia. Up to Egypt.
Yes.
And these are one of the major highways that connect Kenya to many countries. We also have another one called it's called Kinoo Road.
Yes.
That is usually called the Great North Road. It runs from Cape Town to Cairo. So this is one of them. This one goes to connect Kenya to the western countries, the likes of Congo, that is DRC Congo, Uganda, Burundi, Rwanda. On the northern side, you connect to Ethiopia, Sudan, the southern Sudan, up to Egypt. So this road can take you to all those countries. It also can take you to West Africa. Because West Africa is
One day we will do,
Road trip.
yes, a road trip using a Mazda Demio.
that one is
Not even to look for a Subaru.
the longest journey we'll cover is from here to Uganda.
Or
There
Malaba
we'll
border.
not even have a car. We'll do something
And
else.
you will have troubles on the way.
By the way, guys, what I love about this area, as we are walking, I'm hearing the sound of birds. And there is that naturality. You don't feel like you are in town. Look, we have
Village.
corn. Yes, it's like a village.
Very nice. This
I've-
is Kinoo, right? Or we are
No,
still
Kinoo
in
is.
Gitaru?
I think we are now in Regen.
Regen.
Yes. because we came from Gitaru. So I think this is the area around Regen. So I think after Regen, we now head to Kinoo, if I'm not wrong. But these areas are good. I am Tugai. Do you think people can invest in these areas?
Yes, this is what we usually tell you guys. This is one of the best places to invest, and it's very expensive. Buying land here is very expensive. Yeah, you rarely even can get a piece of land close to the highway. But if you get, many of them are quite expensive. This is because of how open the area is, and also close proximity to the city and other developments. And remember, from here to Naivasha, one of the famous towns,
yes,
people go there for holidays, best hotels, they go there to have fun. This is the major highway that connects you to Nakuru and Naivasha.
Yes.
So it's expensive because of the location.
And we also have another railway line here, and there seems there is a railway station.
Is it the same railway that is rotating, or
no? I believe
two different?
they should be two. They should be two different. No, SGR. This cannot be the SGR. This is the
a railway that goes to Naivasha.
Suswa.
Oh yeah, I remember.
The one that goes to Suswa. It's not this one. That one is a bit,
wide.
Yeah, wide.
The Nairobi National.
Yes. It crosses through Ngong. Then there is the Ngong tunnel on the other side of Ngong. So it is not coming. Yeah. So this one is the normal. They say the meter gauge. The meter gauge. The MGR. But I love these places.
Actually, if you go, there is a place down there. It's on Eldoret.
Yes.
I don't know if you've been there.
Ndonyo.
Very nice. Yeah, Ndonyo.
Neighboring Karen.
Those are high-end areas.
Yeah. But
Those are areas you will not even find a 50 by 100.
But let me ask you, because you are in real estate, why are people not really developing those areas? I see a lot of spaces. People are not developing.
You know, what happened with some of these lands, including this area, is that many of these lands were initially inheritance.
Oh,
Yeah, and many communities are reluctant to sell it out, yet they don't have money to develop.
yeah.
So others are speculating, others are still planning, others have no documents. Yeah, many of these lands were acquired during the colonial period. We have people that have pieces of land without a title deed. So it has a lot of missing information. So that is why even acquiring a land somewhere, like let's say Karen is a very high-end area, and land there is very expensive, and they will not sell you a 50 by 100. The least they sell you is a quarter acre.
A quarter?
Yes, a quarter acre. It's very expensive. So you have to at least 50 million. Yeah, and it's not even easy to get. So yeah, you have to have someone who understands the area. And, many people, like let's say Karen as an estate, not anyone can go and buy land there. Let's say you've won a jackpot. You've won 200 million. Do you know it will be difficult for you to acquire land in Karen?
Because I have money.
Because they will check your asset, they will check how connected you are, because we have even areas there that some cars will not be allowed to go.
So it's like a controlled development.
It is very controlled, and we have a community policy that not even the government can crack.
Really?
Yes, in Karen, not even the government can crack their policy.
Why do you find a lot of politicians living there?
Because they have their connections, they have money, and their status, their bank statements are very good, strong. But for you have just 100 million and you want to go buy land. They will tell you,
There's no way.
we don't want slums here because they know you'll use the same money to buy land.
Yeah.
Then
Build with
what
what?
how will you survive?
Yeah.
So they need someone who is very stable, and because they want to maintain the status of that area. Yeah. So that is Karen is very strict. It's only Lavington and Hilelesho that have really been relaxed, and that is why we see a lot of apartments popping up. But initially, that was not the case.
We had one of our subscribers who said, like, I think you remember when we were. So guys, we are still walking along. This is the A104. We have walked from Gitaru, and right now we are almost at Regen. So our intention is just to see the construction that is happening at Regen. That is the tunnel under construction. You can see the amazing apartments. Good places indeed. Good houses. Still green. So I can see over there is a placard that says caution, road under construction. So we are almost there. And I'm still with my friends. They are in a very deep discussion about the changes, development, real estate happening around.
Even if you give him 10 million, they will never do anything.
Where are the 10 million?
Huh?
Where are the 10 million?
We are saying a poor mind
Yes.
will always be poor. Even if you give that person the whole world,
Really?
that poor mind will never
Poor
change
minded
anything. They will remain poor because the poverty is in the mind.
Okay.
The poverty is in the mind. And
So
that
we-
is the problem with us Africans. We have the poverty mind. Our mindset is always depending on the donors, well-wishers.
Here they say gooseberry garden. I don't know if they have farms for gooseberry.
What's that?
It's a fruit.
Fruit.
Yes. So this is yes. So this is the Regen tunnel. That is under. Yes.
Which road is this?
The one under. This is Regen tunnel. The Regen tunnel. I think it's just an interchange for people who are joining the A104 or the people who are living in these estates.
Is it the same road that
This-
goes to Limuru?
No, no,
Okay.
I don't think. I think this one connects to Udiru. If you go with this way, probably you will head to Udiru section. Yes. I think there were a lot of potholes around this place, so
I remember this road.
yeah.
It was a mess.
So maybe we go around, see if we can get where the action is taking place. Regen. Yes.
Regen. Is it Regen or Regen?
I hear people say Regen. Regen.
So this place is called Regen.
Regen, yes. I believe it's an estate around. An estate with international schools. You can see there is an international school here called Kent International.
Prime area.
Yeah.
The elite.
Yes. So maybe let's talk to one of the officials, then we know the way forward. This is the tunnel. Boss, jambo. Mnafanya kazi nzuri. Saidia wananchi hapa. Sawa sawa. Sisi tunajaribu tu kuonyeshana what's going on. Tukipita pita. Yes. Kabisa. So you see soil has been dug here. And yeah, construction is ongoing. Everything. This is a drainage tunnel, so that's a road. Most likely they dig that soil and then they'll bring more, let's say probably other materials that will make sure they harden this road. So it's just within the Regen area, and I believe those are some of the apartments within this area, and the construction is under the China Huyi, and those that are leading, or it's KENHA. The constructions are under KENHA, and they're doing a good job to make sure people around this area get good roads or good connectivity, especially when connecting from either town or even Kikuyu area. You can see we have businesses around. So we say thank you to all who have watched this video up to this far. Remember to like it, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to receive all notifications once we upload a new video. And remember, we have been with I Am Tugai. Visit his channel, and also Koech on the Move. Visit their channels and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in our next video.
Done.
Shifting News.